How you guys are doing today? This one should be a really quick video. We are going to remove the taint from a node. So let's go ahead and start. This is by KillerCoda, and this is basically a lab so you can practice for your CKA certification, your Kubernetes administrator certification. So let's go ahead and see how we can do that. Let's go ahead and start. And this is by KillerCoda. Really cool stuff. So it tells you to run the following command in order to schedule a pod name nginx to the control plane node. I already click on that, and that's going to create that node. Let's go ahead and go next. So now it's asking you find out why the pod is in pending state, fix the pod so that it is in a running state. They give you a hint real quick. You see kubectla to list the event of the pod, but let's go ahead and see and do a k get pod. See what's the name of the pod. Okay, it is nginx, so that's great. Let's do nginx to get the pod, but I want to describe the pod, and in here she tells you that nodes are available. There's one node, but did not match the pod's node affinity. So do we have any? So the node affinity does not match. Okay, so that's why it is in the pending state, right? If we go to, instead of describe, we can just say get. What did I put? That. Okay, get. Yep, it is in the pending state. So let's go ahead and go next. It told me that I solved that. Whoa. Go ahead and restart this thing. What is going on? What was that? How did I remove that? Let's go ahead and run this again. Go ahead and go next. Fix the pod that is in a running state. So these are not a good one today. But what we need to do is basically remove the either add the node affinity or remove the is it the taint? Yeah, let me go back again. Oops. Q describe not node pod nginx, right? So it's telling you that there's that the node affinity did not match. There's a taint on it. So let's go ahead and see what's the taint on that node, and we can just go ahead and remove it. So if we do a k describe node 01, and then you can do grep this to taint. This one doesn't have any. So I think this one goes straight to the control plane. So if we go to control plane, so the control plane does have a taint on it. It's that one right there. And if we go back, does it do a node selector? Yeah, so it specifically wants to add it to the control plane. What we could do to fix this is just to add node 01, but this one is about removing the taint from the node, so we have to go ahead and do that. Go ahead and next over here. So what we need to do is, if you do a k taint, right, and if you want to learn more about that, you can just do the help command, and this one will tell you what you need to do, or it gives you some examples over here. To remove a node full the taint with a dedicated and effective schedule, this is how you do it. You just got to put a minus at the end, and that should remove. And if you want to remove all the taints, all you have to do is all the dedicated taints, you can just do dedicated, right? And what was the one that we have? No schedule. So we could have just removed everything with no schedule right here. Let's see if that works. Taint node control plane, and then let's see what you need to do over here. You need to do like this. It did not find that. Let's go ahead and just put the whole thing, which is, oh, because this is dedicated. Okay, let's go ahead and just put the whole thing, which is this one right here, and paste it. and now it's on tainted, and I have to do a get pod nginx. You are going to see right here that it's now creating the container, and it should be running here soon. There we go. Now it's running, and that's because we removed the this taint from this node. And yeah, so now the pod is able to be scheduled, right? Because that's what they do. It was not able to schedule it. Schedule is basically creating the pod in that node, right? The scheduler is the one that does that. So before we wasn't able to schedule it to the control plane because it had that taint, and the pod did not have that toleration, so we had to remove that from the node before it was scheduled. So yep, this is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, share everywhere, Reddit, X, Facebook, everywhere, Instagram. Thank you for watching like always, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.